Hello, my dear students. Again, I would like to welcome you on this e-learning class. Last video we saw Roman numerals. In Roman numerals, we saw the basic 7 symbols for Roman numerals. That is I for 1, I for 1, for 5 V, 10 S, then for 50 L, Lucy madam, 100 we saw Chavan sir for 100, then 500 we saw Deepali madam, and for 1000 myself. You saw, right? I hope you learned. Today we'll see some rules for forming Roman numerals. How to form Roman numerals? There are some certain rules which we'll have to follow. Let's see one by one. I'll explain. Repetition of a Roman numeral means addition. Repetition of Roman numerals means addition. Means if a symbol is repeated, then we can consider that it's addition. See, x 3 times x. We know that x, the value of x is 10, means 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 30. So triple x means 30. Now here symbol I means 1, 1 means 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. The symbol of 3 I is 3. Now here double x, the value 10 plus 10, 20. If you want to write 20, you have to write double x. Understand? And one more thing, I will come to the next one. That is, here no symbol can be repeated more than 3 times. Suppose I want to write 40, here 30, we use x. Suppose I want to write 40 in Roman numeral, I can't write x 4 times. I can't write x 4 times. Understand? Because there is a rule, we can only use the symbol, repeated symbol, only 3 times, not more than 3 times. Understand? Okay. Next is a smaller numeral. A smaller numeral written to the right of a larger numeral is always added to the large number. Smaller numeral. See, I is a smaller numeral written to the right of the larger numeral is x is larger than I. So written to the right of a larger numeral is always added to the larger numeral. Means this one I is always, if you wrote right side of a bigger numeral, larger numeral, then you have to add these two. Means x means 10 plus I means 1 plus 1 2, 10 plus 2 12. So x I means 12. If we wrote smaller numeral to the right side of a bigger numeral, then we have to add these two. Understand? Same like this, v is a smaller numeral, x is a bigger numeral, means addition. The v is right side of a x. If you put a smaller numeral right side to a larger numeral, means addition. Keep in your mind. Understand? So x is 10. V is 5. 10 plus 5, 15. How to write 15? X V. Understand? Then L is, you see madam, 15. X 10. X is smaller than L. So 50 plus 10 is equal to 60. If I want to write 60, I write XL. Understand? If I want to write 70, I will write XLL. Right? Like this. Third rule, a smaller numeral written to the left of a larger numeral is always subtracted from the larger numeral. Now opposite to this, here we saw smaller numeral is placed right side of a bigger, larger numeral or bigger numeral. Here opposite. Smaller numeral is placed left side of a bigger numeral. X is bigger, I is smaller. So it placed left side of a bigger numeral means subtraction. Means 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. If I want to write 9 in Roman numeral, I will use 10 minus 1. So subtraction left side. Understand? Now X is smaller numeral, L is bigger numeral. So smaller numeral is left side of a bigger numeral. L is bigger, L is left side, X is there. So subtraction means 50 minus X means 10 is equal to 40. So if I want to write 40 in Roman numeral, what I will do? I will write first 50 minus X, left side of a bigger numeral or larger numeral. Let's see here. C means 100, X means 10. 100 minus 10 and 90. If I want to write 90, I will write like this. Understand? Means if you place bigger numeral, smaller numeral, left side of bigger numeral means subtraction. If we put smaller numeral, right side of a larger numeral means addition. Understand? So I hope you will learn this. Write down, learn. Now some important points are there. In Roman numerals, there are some restrictions. You cannot write any symbol 3 times or more than 3 times. See, that I wrote. We will go through this. Now see. Only I, X, C and M means 1, 10, 100 and 1000 can be repeated. Means I said already, we want to repeat only symbols. These symbols we can repeat. We cannot repeat V. 5. If I want to write 10, I will not write like this, V plus V. No, it's not allowed. Only I can repeat I 3 times. Means suppose I want to write 3, 1, 2, 3, I write 3 like this. Suppose I want to write 30, I will use X 3 times. Suppose I want to write 300, I will use C symbol Chavan 3 times, not more than 3 times because there is a restriction. And if I want to write 3000, I use M. Notation 3 times means 3000. Understand? Means only these symbols I, X, C, M can be repeated 3 times. Right? Remaining symbol we cannot repeat. Or see, which one remain? V, L, D cannot be repeated and cannot be subtracted. We cannot subtract this V and D. Suppose I want to subtract C minus V. I will not write like this. Understand? Means I will not write 100 minus V means 5. 95. Suppose I want to write 95. I will not write like this. This is not allowed because we cannot. V and D cannot be repeated and cannot be subtracted because we know that for subtraction we are writing smaller symbol left side of a bigger symbol. This is not possible. But if I want to write Rx, this is possible. I wrote smaller symbol left side of a bigger symbol. Right? Means 10 minus 1. I can write like this. But I cannot write V, C because rule is that V, L and C, L and D cannot be repeated and cannot be subtracted. This is very important. cannot use this symbol more than 3 times. Suppose you want to write 2, you can write this 2 like 2 times, means 2. Suppose you want to write 10, 20, you can use x as a 20, or if you want to write 30, you can use x 3 times, but you cannot write 40 like this, x 4 times. Understand? Means this symbol I, X, C, and you can use not more than 3 times. Understand? Next is X can be subtracted from L and C only. X can be subtracted from L and C only like this. X cannot be subtracted from M. You cannot write like this 1000 minus 10. No. Understand? You cannot write X and D. You cannot write like this. Understand? You can write like this. Means X can be subtracted from L and C only, means 50 and 100 only. C can be subtracted from D and M, and the symbol C stands for Chavansa, means 100. You can subtract this 100 only from D, means CD you can write, means 400, D means 500, minus Chavansa means 100, you will get 400. If you want to write 400, you can use CD. D and M only, means you can subtract C from D and M. M. Suppose you want to write CM, you can write CM. M means 1000, mote sir, minus C, chavan sir, 100. You will get 900. If you want to write 900 in Roman numeral, then use this CM. Means C can be subtracted from D and M only. Means 100 can be subtracted from 500 and 1000 only. 10 can be subtracted from 50 and 100 only. Understand? So these are very important things. You have to write on the chart, learn it, understand? And ask your parent and try to write Roman numerals up to 100. Last year you learned up to 20. Now go ahead, 21, 22, 21, 22. 23, 24. It is very important. I will tell you one thing. I hope last year ma'am taught you like this. How to write this one? It's very easy. You know that 1, 2, see here. One's place. Focus on one place. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9 and 0. You know. This is 1 means I. 2 means the. 3 means 3 lines. 4 means. How you are writing 4? 5 minus 1, then 5, B, 6, addition 7, VII, 8, VII, 9. How you write 9? IX, 10 minus 1, and 0 means you have to write here 30 means table X. Now see. You know this one. Simple. Now 2. What is the place value of 2? 20. How we are writing 20? Double X. Double X I. X I means 21. X I 22. X I X I V 24. X V 25. X I V 26. X P I 20 plus 7. 20 plus 8. 20 plus 9. And that is etc. Understand? Likewise, you have to write. Okay. So, thank you.